Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to geek out over something that's changing the game in a really big way. We're talking 3D printing in aviation. Now imagine being able to print aircraft parts on demand. That's exactly what's happening, and it's revolutionizing the entire industry. From lighter components that increase fuel efficiency to complex designs that were previously impossible to manufacture, 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. So buckle up, because we're about to take off on a deep dive into how 3D printing is transforming the way airplanes are designed, built and flown. First up, let's talk about Airbus. Airbus has embraced 3D printing with the A350 XWB, incorporating over 1,000 3D printed parts. These include critical components like cabin brackets and crew seat parts. Airbus engineer, but it goes beyond comfort. We're also 3D printing engine pylon components and wing parts like rib feet and spar caps. Why 3D printing? It allows for complex geometries, optimizing designs for weight and performance, making aircraft lighter and more fuel efficient. Plus, it enables on-demand manufacturing, reducing waste and simplifying the supply chain. Airbus engineer. The technology's reliability is evident, as we trust it for parts that withstand incredible forces during flight. It's pretty amazing stuff. Now, Airbus isn't the only player in the game. Boeing is also heavily invested in 3D printing technology. Boeing engineer, we're leveraging 3D printing in the 787 Dreamliner for cabin parts like vents and ducts, which have complex shapes. Boeing is also 3D printing engine components like fuel nozzles and heat exchangers. Boeing engineer. We're 3D printing trailing edge panels for the wings, creating complex aerodynamic shapes that improve fuel efficiency and reduce noise. It's a win-win for both the airline and the environment. Now let's talk about the heart of the aircraft, the engine. GE Aviation is at the forefront of using 3D printing to create next-generation engines. GE Aviation Specialist. One of our most notable achievements is the development of 3D printed fuel nozzles for the LEAP 1A engine. These nozzles improve fuel efficiency by up to 15%. GE is also 3D printing turbine blades, which must withstand high temperatures and pressures. GE Aviation Specialist. We're now able to 3D print these superalloys with incredible accuracy and strength, creating lighter, more durable blades. It's amazing to think that we're now at a point where we can print jet engine parts. Now, we can't talk about aircraft engines without mentioning Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce engineer. One of our flagship projects is the Trent XWB engine, which powers the Airbus A350. We're using 3D printing to create components like compressor blades and turbine blades with incredible precision. Rolls-Royce's 3D printing endeavours extend beyond the Trent XWB. Rolls-Royce engineer. We're also using the technology for the EJ200 Eurofighter engine, creating complex components with intricate internal geometries. This optimizes airflow, improves combustion efficiency, and reduces emissions. It's incredible to see how 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engine design and manufacturing. It's not just commercial aviation that's benefiting from the 3D printing revolution. Government agencies like NASA and the US Air Force are also exploring the vast potential of 3D printing. NASA scientists. We've successfully 3D printed a turbopump for the RS-25 rocket engine, creating lighter and more efficient designs. The US Air Force is also achieving remarkable results. NASA scientists, one notable example, is the 3D printing of a titanium engine component for the F-22 Raptor. This reduces reliance on traditional supply chains and gets replacement parts faster, keeping aircraft mission-ready. It's amazing to see how 3D printing is revolutionizing commercial aviation, space exploration, and military aerospace. So there you have it. From commercial airliners to rocket engines and fighter jets, 3D printing is transforming the aviation industry. It's allowing engineers to design and manufacture parts that were once considered impossible, leading to lighter, more efficient, and more sustainable aircraft. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of 3D printing in aviation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep looking up.